200 years ago, a man named Robert Henry, the Speaker of the House at that time, was the owner of this plantation with 234 slaves here that did this same project here with the whip. So we come to do it now without the whip. But the same plantation owners here, they're getting it done still, but they have the money, which is the new whip. All right? So they have the money, so they use the money to get the land plow. But we is who they have to give the money to plant the land.
Yo, when you hear him speech little while, yo, me a laugh but it not funny, you know, God. Dear God, it not funny. A straight thief, him a thief, money, you know. You hear what him say though? The people that we have the money now, with the farm, used to do this and that, but now, them I give the money and I give certain things and things. So the way how he position himself, you know, in position himself to get the money. Now, how much man in other project there benefit from the blood clot project there? Cause I look on YouTube and I look on the video where I talk about, and me not see nobody about feed the hunger and them thing there. A boy I want blood clot catches yo straight. We are talking about Junglelist, aka Rudie, from Barbados. Him pay some hitmen them, a group of man, for slap a little man in a Barbados. You understand? But here we want them push out the man them a Jamaica dog, so we can move the case here forward. You understand? Because the authorities, them a look on the case, but we want push out the man them where come from Jamaica. Seeing that you have a group of man where come from Jamaica, we help him in that thing here. And we want get them man there. Now Junglelist, me dep on your case. Cause you see you are one little wicked boy, you know. I'll tell you why you're wicked. You see you, anybody you feel threatened you, or you feel threatened by, and it not have to be no physical threat, you know. You see what I say? You want to get rid of them. How much money you get rid of in a Barbados? Cause you see you have link with police and you have link with blood clot politician in my youth. But let me tell you something. You see what me I deal with? You can't get out of that. You might think me done with you, but me not done with you, you know. Me don't tell you. You see me submit it to who me know need for see it, and them a look on it. But we want to try push out the man them we come from yard, so we have a full case. When it come, it lock, seal and delivery. You understand? Cause you see you Junglelist, you nah get way with the one here, you know. You nah get way with the one here. And that me I tell you. And people like you, and people like that pum pum there, down at St. Vincent, we kill off them friend and kill off people in the neighborhood. And you expect to go through life and not happen to you. Yo, you sell coke, you sell coke there, so any man bring nothing come a Barbados, you shit them out of them blood clot price and all them thing there. You understand? And them style that you having a dog. And you know give no man nothing, you know, you are one pussy. You understand? And you see for that, you go straight to prison, my youth. So crowd of people, me I say yo, we still want the man them where they at Jamaica, we help that brother here do this. Cause you see that boy a Junglelist dog, him feel threatened by the man and him take out the man and make it look like people are broken in him store and people are thief from him. Nobody can thief from you. And you run that area the dog where you come from and where we are talking about. You understand? And you know that it's just the fact say, listen, you don't want nobody come up. You understand? Cause the man there and the man are chill and you take out the man. You are one big pussy. You understand? Now everybody, you see that brother here? Him had it done in a Barbados. You see everybody think we are going in it. You understand? And let me tell you what him do. You see, if him feel threatened, him a go move you out of the way. Now, him fly go here so, him fly go there so, him have link in New York, him have link everywhere. You understand? Enough man him use, you know, and push them out, you know. How much of the man them, where they beside you, Junglelist, I make money. None of the man them now make no money. And me know so the man them glad me I push out. The people them I watch the thing, you know. You understand? But them afraid of you. So, me I telling the people, don't be afraid, cause a couple people link me, you know. Me don't want to be afraid. Me want to step up. You understand? And give me some more info on the boy Junglelist. You understand? And I want to push out the yard man them. Straight up. Me just I put out this to make Junglelist know say, yo, me dep on your case. Me dep on your case. And listen, sooner or later, the feds are going to come talk to you, Mr. Junglelist. If you don't listen to me, the feds are going to come talk to you. But tell you the last video, give me a call. You go on like you know want, give me a call for me hear your side of the story. Alright. Be like Shotty Mark here and see what happened to you. Now, we know enough people that say, John, no countryman, you're informer, you call out the man and this and that. Listen, me feel as a Caribbean citizen, it's my duty to take down pussy like them here. We ride on the back of poor people and ride on the back of other people. How much people he make go prison? How much people he make kill people for him? What him do for the people them? You understand? Look what him a do. Him is not an innocent person. You understand? A pussy like them here, me a talk about. We do people all sort of thing. And then at the end of the day, them expect to live a wonderful life. You understand? It no work like that in a countryman book. You understand? So with that said, I want to push out the boy them a yard, the Jamaican them. And I want to give me some more info. And me I tell you, Mr. Junglelist, what you have happened to you. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Junglelist, you think you're smarter than everybody. Watch me and your bumper clot.